Hi all. Today I'm going to give you a session on foreign currency payment, how you need to run the APP for that. So first and the foremost, let us go and check the payment methods in country. Then I'll go to country India and I'll select T, payment method T. I'll just verify. So all this is payment method T. This is a bank transfer. Then street PO box, PST code is a required entry. Bank details is a required entry. Account number is a required entry. Please make sure whenever you are making all this as a mandatory, you need to maintain the same records in vendor master data. So I'll click on currency is allowed. So this is a blank. Blank means all the currencies are allowed. Now what we will do is first and the foremost, we will see what is foreign currency configuration is required. Say suppose we need to convert from INR to USD. What we have to do? So first you have to go to OBBS. Then click on position. I already maintained. I'll show you what I have maintained. Exchange rate is M from currency INR to currency USD. See, I have already maintained. So M from currency INR USD. So valid from, when it is going to valid from. So currency ratio is 1:1. I'll again create a new entry and I'll try to give the same. So M INR then USD. So valid from, so 1/4/2022 1:1. If I click on save, it will not allow it to save because entry is already existed. This is how you have to maintain the currency conversion table. Now next is what you have to do. OB08. So in OB08 we maintain the exchange rate value. So again click on position, say M, okay, from currency INR then to currency USD. See, you have to maintain for 1 INR what is the exchange rate. So for 1 INR 13 paisa is the exchange rate. Whatever the exchange rate that you have to enter here, and real time they will give an interface between the exchange rate and our SAP table so that the values will pick up automatically. Next we will see what we need to do. The next is what all the general ledgers is required for foreign exchange calculations. These are the general ledgers is required for foreign exchange calculation. I'm going to show you in SAP. I'll go to FS00. Now what we have to do, we will check one by one. So this is here, it is not required. Here it is not required. So I'll go to revenue accounts. Say in revenue accounts you have to create foreign exchange gain account. So how you have to give? What are the parameters you have to give? You have to give this is a profit and loss account, and when you go to control data, this is a line item display 001 and create bank interest. This is G001 post automatically. Please make sure this is automatic ledger determination. You have to click on post automatically. Then this is unrealized foreign exchange gain account. This account, it will be helpful when we are going to do the foreign exchange revaluation account for every month end. That I am going to take a separate session for that. Then under the expenses, you have foreign exchange loss and foreign exchange unrealized foreign exchange loss account. These are the accounts you need to create. So these are the similar accounts. Please, you need to create in FS00. If you want, you can take out this screenshot. Now, after doing this, there is one more configuration. What we have to do is OB09. This is very, very important. OB09. Then enter the chart of accounts. And you have to give the respective general ledgers account. So what are the respective general ledgers account you have to give? First one is you have to give customers control account, then foreign exchange loss account, foreign exchange gain account, again unrealized foreign exchange loss account, unrealized foreign exchange gain account. Again, you have to give sorry, you have to give a link all the general ledgers which are necessary here. See, this is customers control account, this is loss account, foreign exchange loss account, this is foreign exchange gain account, this is valuation, unrealized foreign exchange loss, unrealized foreign exchange gain, then adjustment account for foreign exchange gain or loss account. So whenever we do the valuation at the month end, then after the month end we are going to reverse this entry for foreign exchange valuation. Now again, there will be one more configuration in FBZP. For detailed APP, you can go through my another sessions. So you can see how you need to do the APP configuration from the basics. Then here, whenever you are making a payment in USD, you have to make one more configuration here. So that you have to go to bank determination. Then you have to select your company code. Then click on bank accounts. Please remember, whatever the payment methods you have already configured, if you want to make the payment through another currency, foreign currency, you have to create determination of bank accounts. Then you have to give a payment method and you have to give the currency USD. So if you don't give this parameter, APP will not run properly. Please make sure you are going to enter this parameter properly. Now let us see the vendor master account. So this is vendor master account. You have to give the street, you have to give the house number, postal code, city, country, all those things you have to give. Now here you have to give the country, bank key, bank account, all those things you have to give. Then reconciliation account. Here it's very, very important, payment terms and payment method. Okay, so all these parameters you have to make it properly, then only the APP will run. Now let us see We will pass one entry. I'll go to FB01. So I'll enter the date. Now instead of currency INR, I'm going to use USD. Okay. Now, so select 31. Select the vendor. This is KR. Okay. Now please note this we are going to pay it in USD. Say we are going to pay $15,000. So this will be the INR. So 1,15,385. Now I'll select 40. Press enter. Then star. Please note whenever you give a USD, it will automatically convert into INR. This for this foreign currency configuration has to be done. Without this, this will not work. Now I'll click on save. Wait for some time. Yes, records got saved. Let us run app F110. Okay. Now today's date is then run 30. I'll go to company code. Then I'll give okay. Then I'll select the vendor. Then I'll go to additional log. Then I'll click on save. So data got saved. I'll come to status. Let us run proposal. Start immediately. So click on refresh button. It will take little more time. Please note, I'm going to provide you sessions on production support. I'll be discussing on how we are getting the different tickets in FICO and how you need to solve in my coming session. Please do visit and watch the session. This will be very helpful. So now the proposal has been created. You can go to proposal. See, this proposal has run successfully. Okay. Now I'll go back. So payment run. See, one generated, one completed. So I'll go to proposal. See, this is run is continued. System writes the entries for subsequent check. Everything job has finished. Now let us go and check it in FBL1N. Now I'll give all items. Okay. Click on execute. This is showing in INR. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll select this. I'll come to document currency. This is USD. Just a minute. Clearing, posting date, line item, value date. See, amount in. We have to find out the correct in foreign currency. General ledger amount, general ledger currency. Let us see. General ledger currency. See, this is coming in general ledger currency. So this is not in INR, this is in USD. Okay. Now what you have to do? This currency, local currency is, and push here. See, this is in USD. If you want to remove the text, you can remove the text. See, this how you can able to do. This is in USD, this is in INR. So this how you can make the payments in USD when your base currency is in INR or any other currency. Thank you for listening and viewing my demo. Please note, in my coming classes, I am going to provide you the production support sessions. It will be very useful when you are going to work in production support side. Thank you.